I am Fahim Akhtar from Multan Public School and College Multan. Today we will do exercise 1D, question number 7 8 of class O level 9 from D3 book. Question number 7 statement is the figure shows a triangle ABC in which AP is equal to 6x centimeter and AB is equal to 3x plus 5 centimeter and PQ is equal to x centimeter and BC is equal to 1 centimeter. P and Q are 2 points on the lines AB and AC such that AP over AB is equal to PQ over BC. What we want to find? Formulate an equation in X and show that it reduces 3x square minus x is equal to 0. Number 2, solve the equation 3x square minus x is equal to 0. Number 3, find the length of PB. Now, first of all, we will solve its first part. AP over AB is equal to PQ over BC, which is given in the statement. AP value is 6x and AB value is 3x plus 5 is equal to PQ value is x and BC value is 1. Now by cross multiplying, x multiplied with 3x plus 5 and 1 multiplied with 6x. When x multiplied with 3x, it will be 3x square, and x multiplied 5, it will be 5x is equal to 6x. 3x square plus 5x minus 6x is equal to 0. 3x square minus x is equal to 0. So this is our required answer. Number 2, solve the equation 3x square minus x is equal to 0. 3x square minus x is equal to 0. We will take x as common. So x into 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 3. So these are the two values of x. Now third part. In third part we will find the length of PB. Since x greater than 0, so we will take x is equal to 1 by 3 value. Means we will take x value 1 by 3. From figure, AB is equal to AP plus PB. AB is equal to AP plus PB and PB is equal to AB minus AP. Now we will put the values of AB and AP which is given in the statement. PB is equal to AB value is 3x plus 5 minus AP value is 6x. PB is equal to 3x plus 5 minus 6x. PB is equal to 5 minus 3x. 5 minus 3x, 3x minus 6x, answer will be minus 3x. So 5 minus 3x will come. PB is equal to 5 minus 3. Put the value of x which is 1 by 3. So we will put value of x 1 by 3. 3 cancel with 3. It's 5 minus 1. PB is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 centimeter. Means the length of PB is 4 centimeter. Now question number 8 statement. A wire of length 200 centimeter is cut into two parts each part is bent to form a square. If the area of the larger square is 9 times that of the smaller square, find the perimeter of the larger square. We will solve this question. First we will suppose the length of smaller square. So let the length of smaller square be x centimeter. Area of smaller square is x multiply x, because area formula is side multiply side or length multiply length. So when x multiply x mean length multiply length, its answer will be x square. So area of smaller square is x square, and area of larger square is 9x square. How it will come? If we will read the statement, in statement there is written, if the area of the larger square is 9 times that of the smaller square. That's why we will write area of larger square is equal to 9x square. 9 multiplied 9 times that of a smaller square. So 9x square will be the area of larger square. So length of a larger square is 9x square square root. Answer will be plus minus 3x, or 3x or minus 3x. Here we will take the length of a larger square 3x. Minus 3x will be rejected. Now perimeter of smaller square, formula of perimeter of square is 4 multiply length, and length of smaller square is x. So perimeter of smaller square is 4x. Similarly, perimeter of larger square, 4 multiply length. This is the formula of perimeter of square. So 4 multiply length. Length of larger square is 3x. So 4 multiply 3x is equal to 12x. Now total perimeter means that you will add perimeter of smaller square plus perimeter of larger square. Perimeter of smaller square is 4x and perimeter of larger square is 12x. The answer will come 16x. This is the total perimeter. So total perimeter is equal to 200, which is the total length of wire. So x is equal to 200 over 16. When you will divide 200 by 16, the answer will come x is equal to 12.5 centimeter. So the perimeter of larger square, which is 12x, we will put the value of x, 12 multiplied 12.5. 12.5 is the value of x. When you will multiply it, the answer will come 150. So this is the perimeter of larger square, which is 150 centimeter. Dear students, now your assignment is that you will practice these two questions, means question number 7 and 8, and then you will solve the question number 6, 9 and 10 of exercise 1D with the help of these two questions. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe. Good luck.